My name is Daniel, and I'm the son of the owner, ANC Auto Center, and today we're going to talk about the CX-7, the 2010. And this car is an all-wheel drive, and it's really spacious. So people who wants to put a lot of stuff in their car, it's really good. And then what a lot of people like is the sunroof. Wow. And they also like the stereo system of this car, because it's Bose, and it's also good for especially during winter, where you can drive on icy roads and don't have to worry about it as much. So if you're really interested in this car, you can contact us by wherever the number will be on the screen, and then you can call us right away and we can hook you up in 24 hours. Thank you.